Unreal Engine 5 dedicated servers with AWS and GameLift. Build UE5 dedicated servers with cloud backend, databases, user pools, virtual machine hosting, all on the free tier. Compile Unreal Engine from source and package dedicated servers. Integrate your Unreal Engine game project with cloud backend services. Save persistent data to cloud databases from within Unreal Engine. Create secure user pools for your games so players can log in from within the game. Create dedicated server-hosted lobbies. Manage game sessions with Amazon GameLift. Learn cloud architecture and become an AWS cloud architect. This course uses the AWS Free Tier. Have you ever wondered how you can let your players launch your game and connect directly with a server, playing in multiplayer with other players right away? Or perhaps how you can allow your players to create user accounts for your game, with username, password and email. How do games allow you to sign up for a new user account, receiving a 6-digit verification code in their email, allowing them verify their account for your game? Have you ever wondered how to save player data in databases, so they can see their achievements in the game, showing their progress, skill level, items, or stats from previous matches? Or how leaderboards are made, showing the top-scoring players who play the game across the planet? How can you run dedicated servers that players can connect to? How can you set up servers in different regions around the globe, providing access to your game to players in different countries, allowing them to enjoy gameplay with the lowest possible ping times? And how to make competitive multiplayer games fair to all players, with an authoritative server optimized to manage server operations, reduce lag and provide a consistent and performant experience for everyone. This course is a masterclass for dedicated servers and cloud backend for Unreal Engine games. By the end of this course, you will be able to compile Unreal Engine from source, create client and server build targets, and package dedicated server and client builds of your game. Integrate the GameLift server SDK into your game to connect with GameLift. Learn how to make API calls with the AWS command line interface. Host dedicated servers, both on your own machine and on cloud-hosted virtual machines, and you'll know what those are. Learn how to create serverless functions in AWS Lambda to access cloud resources and use AWS SDKs. Create secure user pools, where your game's players can create their own login, password, with email verification with Amazon Cognito. Implement security, requiring temporary access tokens granted via user pool login in order to perform game actions. Create your own REST API with endpoints that can be accessed via HTTP request, and secure them to require authentication tokens using Amazon API Gateway. Learn about HTTP requests and how to send them from Unreal Engine C++ code, triggering serverless functions and access.